We're at the MiCareerQuest at Saginaw Valley. Here just talking with 10th graders and I think some 11th graders about careers at HSC.
We're trying to get kids interested in Hemlock Semiconductor because there's a lot of different jobs at Hemlock Semiconductor. Like, tell the kids, if you're not interested in going to college, you can come in right out of high school. We have entry-level positions, because I never went to college, and now I have a good job in there. I just keep working my way up, and you don't have to, think you have to go and do any specialty field. But we're showing them all the different things we do here, our process. We have an electrician here, trying to show the people. The entry-level position is we break our poly at HSC, and since we can't bring poly in here to break it, we got Michigan Tech here freezing fruit and flowers for us, and we're having them smash that, and the kids are enjoying it.
So we're here today on behalf of Michigan Tech MindTrekkers, partnering with HSC at this phenomenal community outreach event, MiCareerQuest. We have a traveling team of Michigan Tech undergraduate students who are putting on live STEM exhibits for students and really getting them excited about the power of STEM and curiosity and what that could do for their future careers.
I think it's kind of give them an idea right early in high school to kind of figure out. I know for me, when I was going to school, it was kind of, I don't know what I want to do. This kind of gives them a little taste of, what it's like from a career perspective, working in chemical engineering or manufacturing at HSC. We
collaborated to actually pick some of our STEM demos that really represent what HSC does in the making of polysilicon. And so we have, we basically took sort of the main principles of how HSC works and converted them into demos that resonate with students of this age group, early high school age, so that they can really understand how some of these really complex STEM exhibits really function in real life.
There's a lot of kids that are going to school right now that don't know what they want to do. And at HSC, you can get in there not knowing what you want to do, and once you get your foot in the door and realize all the different opportunities, there's so many directions you can go to at HSC. We're just trying to get the kids interested in something. If we can get them in the door, they can have a career there. They can retire from the place.